All right, guys, we just got on the road. Where are we headed?
To the beach.
To the beach. We're headed to Sea Isle, New Jersey, and Ocean View Resort, which is right in Sea Isle, and gonna be a great trip.
Yep.
What do you say, everybody?
Let's roll.
Pulled over for a bathroom break, and state trooper going the other way pulled over. Oh, now he's pulling in behind us. Let's see what happens here. We're good. Whew.
We're going back to G90.
Okay.
You're gonna make the right.
Yep.
After the tram station. You're back there.
Okay. All right, so we're all set up, but there's a whole bunch of stuff that you missed out on. So we got set up, and Dave got set up. Dave got set up first. Dave hooked up his water. Dave had leaky water because Dave has a new camper. This is Dave's new camper. It is, I don't even remember what it is. A Columbus. A Columbus bunkhouse, fifth wheel. It is huge. But anyway, he hooked up his water, ended up having water flood his complete master bathroom, or master bedroom. He had to call a service repairman to come in. Found out that a mouse had chewed the lines. Anyway, got it all figured out, capped them, we're good to go. He also found out there's a site right next to ours that's open that he'll fit on. So we're moving him to that site right now. Look at this mammoth thing. How many feet? How many feet? 38 and a half feet. Off of their rear kitchen is the back of our camper. So the backs of our campers are right together, and now the kids don't have to cross the road to make it to each other. And
I won't back down. You can stand me up at the gates of hell, but I won't back down. No, I'll stand my ground. I won't be turning around. And I keep this world from dragging me down. Gonna stand my ground, and I won't back down. Hey, baby, there ain't no easy way out. Hey, now, gonna stand my ground, and I won't back down. Well, I know what's right. I've got just one life in a world that keeps on pushing me around. Gonna stand my ground, and I won't back down. Hey, baby, there ain't no easy way out. Hey, now, gonna stand my ground, and I won't back down.
To go at the beach, and then I want to go on the train.
so tomorrow's plans, beach and then train?
Yep.
Sounds like a good plan. Say goodnight, everybody.
Night, everybody.
Is it alive, B?
I thought it was.
Just so you know.
show it to Uncle Dave now. He'll be like, awesome. Horseshoe crab.
Horseshoe crab?
But it's dead.
I wanted to take a minute and talk about how this trip came about, because it was quite a task of figuring out what to do. We actually had a trip booked to Massey's Island in Delaware. We wanted to try someplace new, and that was the first place we booked back in, I don't know, maybe November. So we booked Massey's Island in November. That's what our plan was. Then New York State, because of COVID, put Delaware on the quarantine list, which means if you go to Delaware, either visit or come from there and come back into New York State, you need to quarantine for 14 days before going out in public again. So that became not an option. So we also booked a place in Maryland. Can't remember the name of it, but we booked a place in Maryland, and then Maryland got added to the list, so we booked New Jersey. So we kept all three reservations, Maryland, Delaware, and New Jersey. You know what? We made it. We're here. The kids are playing, and I've talked about it before, but man, the magic powers of the beach to keep kids occupied and busy all day without whining, without crying, without fighting. It doesn't matter where the beach is. It's just some sand and some ocean. Good times.
Yeah, the guy had something. His pole was bending and like wiggling, and then it. I think
You lost it?
it was good. Wow. Way better than me. Oh, we have a watch.
Finally did it. I mentioned we came here last year. There was dolphins here last year too. And every time we saw them, I would rush to get the drone. Well, the first time we saw them, I didn't have the drone with me. Then every time we saw them, I would rush to get the drone. I would get it out there and I would lose them. I couldn't find them. So this year, finally, we saw the dolphins again and got to get the drone out there and get some shots of them. beach, boys? Yeah? We'll head back to camp. We'll check out the pool, maybe the lake. Have some drinks, have some dinner. And then check out a magician. So if you're looking for a good, refreshing alcoholic drink for summertime, this is one of our new favorites. It's basically we take a shot of pineapple rum, a shot of mango rum, fill it up with coconut water. Wow. Apparently, boys are over fishing. They got some fish. Anyway, if you're looking for a good summertime drink, a little pineapple rum mixed with mango rum, fill it up with coconut water, wedge and lime. It is delicious. We're making sure we don't get burned today. Mommy told him to slather it on. He's doing it full out. Alright, so it is about 10:30 in the morning and it's already 87 degrees. It is going to be a cooker today, but those are the best days for being at the beach.
Sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room. We're swimming in the mystery. We're sipping on sunshine. We wanna taste all this world as the offer. Unafraid, we were made to wander. We will never let it go to waste. No, we're never gonna let it fade. We wanna taste all this world as the offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine.
Had a good day at the beach. Drink of the day today. We're gonna unwind with cocktail hour, kind of with dinner. And tonight we're gonna be having some blueberry mojitos. We have fresh mint that we got from the farmer's market down the road. We have blueberries that the boys and Emily picked right before we went on vacation and are now frozen. We have a little Bacardi rum, our blender of course, seltzer water, and lime. These are the only ingredients we need to make this delicious drink. About a half cup of blueberries, put in about a tablespoon. About a half a cup of fresh squeezed lime juice. We're gonna add about a cup of white rum. Mint, and we're just gonna tear it up into small pieces about like that and add it in on top of the already blended drink. Add a half of a can of soda water and mix it up, pour it over ice, and it should be delicious. Where are we going?
Ice cream! Chocolate. Vanilla.
What you got, Deej?
I got rainbow sherbet. Blueberries and cream. Brownie. A peanut butter ripple milkshake.
Wow.
A peanut butter ripple. Have we come here again?
Everybody say all aboard!
We have our own issues before. That was just.
Hey, what's up? All right, boys, we're off nice and early this morning. We're not headed to the beach. Well, actually we are. But what are we doing differently this time?
We're riding bikes on the promenade.
Riding bikes on the promenade? All right. How was the ride, boys? Good? You like that? Worth getting up early for? Yeah? Alright, so now we will head back, unload the bikes, pack up for the beach, grab mom, and have some more fun in the sand. Kids are resilient, right? More so than we give them credit for. For example, today, we get to the beach and it's another crazy foggy day. And the visibility is really low, and because of that the flags are red. Instead of complaining or whining, the kids took it upon themselves to find things to keep them occupied. They built sand castles, they jumped in the over the waves as far as like staying less than knee deep, and they found ways to make the most out of what they have. And that's what we got to learn from them, is especially during COVID, right, is take what we have. Like, we don't have a lot right now. Everything is shut down. We don't have, people are losing income, people are losing their vacations, they're losing a lot of different things, but we have to just think about what we do have. And for us right now, that's camping. Sure, we couldn't go where we wanted to originally. We had to book in 3 different states in order to make sure that we were able to go somewhere. But we made it here, and it's pretty awesome.
Where are you going?
Coming in for the attack.
She goes, no, we're not asking anybody. I thought Megan said she saw us. Yeah, I don't know. She's like, how do you feel? It's like, whenever my hours are, like if Megan and I do collaborate, we do.
So we were trying to get the birds to attack Dave, but apparently he was aware. As soon as the bird came down and got him, he jumped and got the bird, but the bird bit him on the hand, he said. That was kind of funny. So tonight's cocktail is a bit of a Cheaters Old Fashioned. So we have this mix that basically takes all the guesswork out of it. We just put 1 part of the mix to 2 parts of whiskey, top it off with a maraschino cherry, a little bit of juice, and a slice of orange. How's it? It's good. Strong. It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's a lake. Water's nice and warm. They got a nice fountain out there. Kids are gonna go on the playground for a little bit. The other half of kids is in the pool, or in the lake, sorry. Strapped in because we have an onlooker.
Thing down. Wait, Owen was so hungry. Did he take a bite and ran away? Yeah.
We are in another red flag situation. The beach is a no-go. No-go for the swimming. Wah, wah. Red alarm. We'll talk to the lifeguard and see what that means.
There's people in the water.
Hey, it's not because of the fog this morning. It is because of the big wave. Got a lot of winds. We like big waves. It's just a matter of whether they'll let us go out. Where are we going, guys? Smoothie bowls. One Brian and what was the other one like?
What, Daddy?
Nutter butter.
Wait, what, Daddy?
One Brian and another butter. Thanks. Sound good? You like the man with no face?
What?
You the man with no face? Sure. You want a hat on? Plane is stuck. Can't go. Too much wind. Remember how I said it was windy? We're hiding out. Trying to stay warm.
At your guys' house. When we get used to it, we're right next to it. Brandon doesn't go behind you. But it's fine. It doesn't need to.
Staying warm, Dave? Somewhat warm. Leaving Sea Isle.
City.
See you, Sea Isle City. Till next year.
Let's roll out of Seattle City.
Let's roll out.
So windy.
Bye.
Windy.
Till next year, Seattle.
Roll out.
Seattle. Sea Isle.
Roll out. We're going to Delaware next year. Let's roll out of Seattle.
Roll out.
Roll out.